Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to do a little Oak Essentials unboxing. They recently had a promotion where if you bought $150 worth of Oak Essential products, you would get a free Jenny Kane sweater, which was a $295 value. And since I'm already a fan of the Oak Essentials line, and many of you know, of course, I'm a Jenny Kane girl, I could not resist. So my package just showed up and I thought we would do a quick unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing which Oak Essential products I picked up along with the free sweater, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, my package is here and yep, I got a free cabin sweater. And the funny thing was I had already had my eyes on this rose colored sweater because this is supposed to be in my color season when I did color analysis. And this rose color right here actually falls into a soft autumn and a soft summer, which I have been matched to. So I was a bit excited to get this free cotton sweater. I am a huge fan of Jenny Kane sweaters in general. If you've been watching my channel for quite some time, you'll know that I am a Jenny girl, but I really love her cotton. So today I'm wearing her Cashmere Flynn. This is sort of my go-to transitional sweater. I'm gonna go pop this on so we can see what we think about this color on me, and then I'm gonna show you the Oak Essential goodies that I picked. Okay, here is this cabin sweater. This is in the shade Rose. Basically, this is a really nice neutral color. You all can let me know if you think it's my color or not. I always was worried this would wash me out, but I've been told repeatedly that this is like one of my colors. I think it's kind of considered one of my neutrals. So love this sweater. It is cotton, it is comfortable, and it was essentially free. And let me show you the products that I picked out. Number one, I went for some of their Bodycare products because I love some of their skincare, but I had been wanting to try some of their Bodycare. So I got the Moisture Rich Body Balm. I love the Moisture Rich Balm just for your face. It is so luxe and so wonderful. So I figured this would be just as amazing. And let's open this up. It's the texture. It just sort of melts into the skin. Oof. Looks fabulous. I almost don't want to crack it, but basically we're going to come in, we're going to break the seal here. Yep, it's just like the other. It feels so luxe and wonderful here. Let me see if you can see. Literally, you can almost tell like this is like perfect for nourishing your skin. This is going to be so good for the winter months too. My body just is like gonna suck it up. I love it. And this has kind of a beautiful, I want to say earthy, but not in a like icky way. Just kind of a natural scent that just feels like it's good for your skin, if that makes sense. This has cocoa butter and sea buckthorn oil in it. It is ultra hydrating, kind of nutrient dense for your skin, and I absolutely love the texture of the face one, and so I was excited to get the body one. Might as well go full on Jenny, I think. Just kind of do the whole thing. And then the next thing I was so excited about is I picked up the Perfecting Body Scrub. So one of my favorite things to do in the shower is to do a body scrub. I'm a big believer in dry brushing every day, but then I do love to do a body scrub a couple times a week, and it's the best feeling to scrub off all your dead skin cells. I swear it keeps your, body skin. We take care of our skin, but sometimes we neglect our body. I would say that was true with myself as well. I was always really good with my the skin on my face, but you got to care for the whole thing. Your skin is your largest organ. Ooh, this looks amazing. Okay, so another sort of natural, I want to say earthy scent, but I don't want that to turn you off because it's not, I have to say it's like feels very spa-like. That's what I would say. And oof, I can already tell you that this is going to be a good freaking scrub by the size of the little granules in here. Oof, it's so good. And then you can tell these are going to just like melt right into your skin. So you're going to get that exfoliation. But then already I can tell you it is going to leave my skin with a nice layer of like oil, kind of leave like a little softness to the skin. Okay, cannot wait to use that body scrub. So it includes coconut shell powder, so it's really finely grounded hull of coconuts, and then lavender oil. That's what I'm saying. I was getting the spa vibes here, and then some rice bran extract, which is going to boost your skin's elasticity. So super excited about that. And then I went ahead and got the Dew Body oil here. I'm somebody who likes to kind of layer it on. So I'm going to do the scrub. I'm going to decide if I'm going to do like the balm first or the oil, or maybe I'm just going to do one day and then the other another day. And then I just undid the cork here. Love a good body oil here. Ooh, love that. And then let's just kind of rub this into the skin. I'll let you know what kind of oil it is. Ooh, boy, that one smells freaking amazing. I wonder if that one has blue tansy in it. I'm getting a little bit of vibes on that, but I'm not quite sure. Let me read the ingredients here. But, okay, so this oil is like lovely, rich, kind of lovely oil, but then I can tell that it's already drying down quickly. So I would say it's one of those kind of good dry oils that are going to kind of absorb into your skin, but you're not going to have to wait around before you put on your clothes. Gosh, I love, love, love the smell of this Dew Body Oil. Let's check it out and see. It says this is a fast absorbing body oil formulated with a blend of skin-soothing oils that deliver intensive moisture while helping to protect against environmental stressors. The skin is going to be left soft, supple, and glowing with a fresh from the spa scent. Smells so good. It's invigorating. That's what I would say. It has this like, you're gonna wake up and feel amazing after your shower or bath. You're just gonna feel kind of invigorated, but in a calming way. Love that. And then last but not least, I was in need of a new cleansing balm, and I ended up picking up their cleansing balm. I do have her moisture rich balm. I have her face oil that I really love incorporating. That's the one that has blue tansy in it. And I needed a new cleansing balm to take my makeup off at night. Ooh, this looks like it's going to be perfect. I'm somebody who loves to do a double cleanse at night, and I love a balm to take off all my makeup, and then I'll move on to the next cleanse. So those are all the products I picked up in order to get my new Jenny Kane sweater. I am a wee bit excited about these Oak Essential products, and what I will do is I'll give these a go. I will give you a definite update of my thoughts on these. This is not a sponsored video. I just saw the deal, couldn't resist, and had to pick up these products because I had been wanting to give them a try for a bit of time. So I will keep you posted on my thoughts of the Bodycare as well as that cleansing balm. I hope you enjoyed this little quick unboxing. Let me know what you think about the cabin sweater, and I will be back with another video soon.